ready? Yeah. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Everybody's ready? All right, we're going to sing Turkey is a Funny Bird first, all right? Ready? Turkey is a funny bird, head goes wobble wobble. He knows just one funny word, gobble gobble gobble. Turkey is a funny bird, head goes wobble wobble. He knows just one funny word, gobble gobble gobble. Praise Him, all you little children. God is love, God is love. Praise Him, all you little children. God is love, God is love. Thank Him, all you little children. God is love, God is love. Thank Him, all you little children. God is love, God is love. Song number 3, ready? Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey, big and fat, big and fat. I'm gonna eat you, just like that, Mr. Turkey, big and fat, big and fat. I'm gonna eat you, just like that, just like that. Last one. Ready, Callie? Ready? 5 fat turkeys sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "The cook is on his way." The third one said, "Let's play." The fourth one said, "You better move along." The fifth one said, "Let's sing a song." He opened the kitchen door and gave the birds a fright. And the 5 fat turkeys flew out of sight. Take them out. Ian. That's it.
Let's give them another round of applause.